So we've gone through and we've added a document to the document management system. Now let's add it to our electronic batch records. I'm going to log out as the document manager and log back in as the project manager. Head over to the menu item of batch records and master production records. Take note of the added column called DMS and the added green check mark. This signifies that a document is connected, and because it's green, it is the most recent version. There are a few ways to connect a document to a master record. Click on the Add New Record at the bottom of the screen. I've set up my master production cover page, and now I'm going to add a document. Click on the Add Document button. A pop-up appears with a list of documents in an approved state. I'll click on it to add it to the cover page. Navigate to the Manufacturing Instructions tab. I'm going to add a document there as well. Follow the steps outlined in the cover page and hit Confirm to save. Here you'll notice the Documents tab. You can find a list of documents within the MPR, their location, their status, and some brief information. Since everything is up to date, the checkmark is green. So what happens if a document is versioned up or I need to make a copy? Let's head back to the DMS. Click on the Version Up button. A confirmation will appear. Click Confirm to version up the document. I'm going to quickly go through the process of approving this document, and I'll meet you back here. Let's return to the MPR screen and click on the Documents tab. Notice that the check mark is now yellow and the status is superseded. Are you ready for this? This is my favorite part, so watch this. Click the boxes underneath the Update column. Click Update the Selected Documents button at the bottom of the screen. Once you click that button, the documents automatically are versioned up and the green checkmark returns. Documents added to an MPR also appear on a subsequent BPR. Generate and issue a batch record from the master record. On the cover page, the document is inherited and automatically added. Under the Documents tab, much like the one for the master record, information about added documents appears. If a document has been superseded, the check mark will appear as yellow and the status will reflect that. So that brings us to the end of this training video about the document management system. Thanks for watching.